The first ever Ethereum death cross occurred in November 2016. This decline marked the bottom before an incredible rise of 20,300% over the following year. It can be argued that due to the project's youth, Ethereum was much more volatile and prone to sharp price changes. In April 2018, Ethereum first rose by 120%, then sharply fell by more than 90%, experiencing its first bear market. A similar situation repeated at the start of the next bear market in January 2022, with a 47% rebound after the death cross. However, Ethereum then completely lost these profits and fell by 72%, confirming the repetition of a negative scenario in bear markets. In September 2019, the Ethereum death cross developed in two stages. First, a rise of 32%, then a drop of 45%. The decline erased all previously achieved profits and led to new losses. This example also confirms the pattern of Ethereum's behavior in the market. Following history, one might assume that a short-term rise could precede a major crash. However, this is not necessarily the case, and history may not repeat itself. Although previous examples indicate a clear bearish pattern, the Ethereum death cross does not guarantee the same outcome in the future. The death cross did not always lead to disaster. One such case was in April 2020 during the pandemic-driven sharp market decline. Instead of a brief rise and sharp fall, Ethereum dropped only 5%, then rose by 2,900% over the next 2 years. Those who bet against Ethereum then lost a lot of money. Today, the situation seems different because in April 2020, the money supply surged sharply. The government printed trillions of dollars to stimulate the economy after the pandemic. And this huge liquidity influx caused a rise in risky assets like Ethereum. That's true. But then there was a death cross in September 2023, which occurred during Ethereum's bull market. After this signal, Ethereum entered a period of volatile consolidation for almost 2 months. During this time, the price did not fall more than 7%. This resembles a limited decline after the signal in April 2020. In the end, the selling pressure was completely absorbed. After that, Ethereum rose by 170% in just 150 days. It was a significant growth in a short period. And this is not only September 2023. A similar event happened in August 2024. Then Ethereum sharply fell, but then the market panicked over a possible recession. This caused the 50-day moving average to fall below the 200-day moving average. Instead of a sharp rise followed by a fall, Ethereum remained in a narrow consolidation corridor for 3 months, dropping less than 15% from the signal. This consolidation led to an 85% increase as recession fears began to ease. Thus, Ethereum experienced a total of 7 death crosses throughout its growth.